In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a post shareable on Facebook. Alright, so I'm starting here on my Facebook homepage. Everything's already open and I'm logged into my account. What we're going to do is create a post and make sure other people can share it. So the first thing I'm going to do is click on what's on your mind to start creating a new post. As soon as I click that, the post window pops up. Now before I type anything, I'm going to look just under my name. You'll see an option there that shows who can see your post, and this is really important. So I'm going to click on that audience selector. Once I click it, a list of options appears like friends, only me, and public. What I'm going to do is select public. Now that means anyone on Facebook can see this post, and more importantly, it allows people to share it. At this point, I'll go ahead and type whatever I want to post in the text box. Now just to double check, I'm going to look again under my name and make sure it still says public. If needed, you can click the audience selector again and confirm it's set correctly. Once everything looks good, I'm going to go ahead and click the post button, and just like that, the post is now live and set to public. Now other people will be able to see it and share it on their own timelines if they want. If you ever create another post and want it to be shareable, just make sure to set the audience to public before posting, and if you forget, you can always go back and edit the audience later. Once you get used to it, it becomes really quick to check and adjust before posting. So yeah, that's it. That's how you make a post shareable on Facebook, by setting the audience to public.